Wheels turn slow on this dusty track. A few years gone, and I'm looking back. I remember the shade, the way the air felt cold, before the plots were marked and the land was sold. I'm a man of 50, I've seen the seasons turn, but there are lessons in the soil we still have to learn. Humanly, nature returns, then human starts to live. Nature leaves away. This easing nature will go vanish once. We will miss the greenery. I pedaled through the wild where the vines used to creep, while the concrete giants were still fast asleep. Now the stakes are driven and the trees are coming down to make a little space for another part of town. It's a quiet kind of sorrow, watching beauty retreat to be replaced by a roof and a paved over street. Human leaves, nature turns, then human starts to live. Nature leaves away. This easing nature will go vanish once. We will miss the greenery. Progress has a footprint, progress has a cost. We count what we've built, but not what we've lost. I'll hold this memory close of the wind through the leaves before the silence is broken by the modern day thieves. Human leaves, nature returns, then we start to live, and it all goes away. We will miss the greenery. Yeah, we're gonna miss the green.
Human leaves, nature returns, then human starts to live. Nature leaves away. This easing nature will go vanish once. We will miss the green air.